dental professional, you know that brushing is not enough. If you just brush, food, debris, and bacteria get left behind that can lead to gum disease and tooth decay. Your patients have to floss. In a study at the University of Southern California, the Waterpick Water Flosser was proven to remove up to 99.9% of plaque biofilm from treated areas. In other studies, the Water Flosser was up to 50% more effective at reducing gingivitis compared to string floss, was up to 56% more effective than interdental brushes for improving gingival health, and was up to 3 times as effective as brushing and flossing.
Anybody here? Pass me a beer, and I'ma keep playing this music that you hear. And if you know the song, then come and sing along with me. Walking with the beach to my left, seat to my right, and I'ma get faded at the tiki bar. Yeah, I'm gonna party like I'm a Jamaican. If you really